Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save and use app pairs on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to choose the apps. So I do have the Gmail, the settings in the calculator here. Now I'll tell you how to go over and add all of those apps. So the first one is here. Now we're going to add a calendar, for example. And from here, we can add another app. So I'll choose the Gmail. Now, if you want to save the app pair, what are we going to do is we're going to click on the three lines, click on the free apps right here, and click on Add App Pair. Now we can choose if we want to add it to the taskbar, home screen, or apps edge panel. I always keep it at my home screen. And as you guys can see, app pair added on the home screen. So here we have it. So now we can just move it here, for example, and we can click on it. Now we will open three apps at once. Even if we close them fully, they will still open. And that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.